The Land Cruiser is dead, long live the Land Cruiser. What's up folks, I'm Dave Underkoffler, editor-in-chief of Autolist.com, here with a first look at the all-new 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. This model replaces the full-size version that was discontinued for the US market several years ago. It's based on the Prado that was launched globally, and it's smaller and more affordable than the version that it replaces, but it's no less capable. So is all this going to be enough to keep the Toyota faithful happy here in the States? Let's take a look and find out.
All right, so the first thing to know is that there will actually be two different designs for the front end of this new Land Cruiser. The base 1958 edition and the limited production first edition will have round LED headlights up front, in a nod to the look Land Cruisers sported through 1987. The middle of the pack normal Land Cruiser, if you will sport rectangular lights similar to those on the Land Cruiser FJ62 that Toyota rolled out back in 1988. And as a quick aside, here's the FJ62 that I owned doing Christmas tree duties a few years ago. Overall, this new version of Land Cruiser is about 4.5 inches shorter than the LC200. That's the last Land Cruiser we had here in the States, and it's just about an inch shorter. So what's under the hood? Well, there's just a single powertrain available, and it's a hybrid. This new Land Cruiser uses the same setup that's available on the new Tacoma pickup. That's a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a small electric motor that makes a total of 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. It'll be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time four-wheel drive. In terms of off-road prowess, all trims have a center and rear locking differential, there's skid plates all around, a standard hill descent control system, and a crawl control function that essentially works as a low-speed cruise control with 5 pre-selected speeds. Finally, the Land Cruiser trim and First Edition trim add a front stabilizer bar you can electronically disconnect with the push of a button, and a multi-terrain monitor system that uses the interior infotainment display to view obstacles on the trail in front of you. Inside, this new Land Cruiser is now a 5-seater only. The base 1958 edition comes with an 8-inch color touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, while the mid-grade Land Cruiser trim and the First Edition trim get a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen. That base 1958 version also gets black cloth seats, while the Land Cruiser gets faux leather seats that are heated and cooled up front, and the First Edition gets real leather all around. In terms of safety, all Land Cruiser models come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This includes pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full range adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and automatic high beams.
All right folks, there you have it, our first look at the all-new Toyota Land Cruiser. This model will go on sale next spring in 2024 with a starting price in the mid-$50,000 range. So what do you guys think? Do you like what they've done here, or does it not match your expectations? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. So for reviews or listings of new or used vehicles, no matter what you're shopping for, be sure to check out Autolist.com. And before you go, like and subscribe to this channel so you can get alerts on all of our future updates. We'll see you out there.